Good morning, students. So today is the test of exponents and powers, and these were the three questions from your NCERT book only. And the first question is find the value of m, and second and third question based on the evaluation and the simplification. Now in this video we will discuss the solutions. In this video we will discuss the solutions of this test, so you can match your answers, and if there is any mistake you can rectify, and you can send me how much marks you got, and you can send me the solutions as well through WhatsApp, the images, or you can say the photos of the solution. So now let's start. First question: what is the value of m if first 5 raised to the power m divided by 5 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 5? Before starting the question, all of you must have learned the laws of exponents, because laws of exponents are very important. All the questions are based on the law of exponents. Now here the division sign is there, so which law we need to recall? A raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is gives the result a raised to the power m minus n. A raised to the power m minus n. Now here 5 raised to the power m divided by 5 raised to the power minus 3. So apply the law of exponents. So it will come by 5 raised to the power m minus of minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 5. So here 5 raised to the power m minus minus plus 3, that is equal to 5 raised to the power 5. No equal to sign here. So 5 raised to the power m plus 3 will be equal to 5 raised to the power 5. And as we can see clearly here, the bases are same, and when the bases are same, your exponents will also become equal. So exponents means m plus 3 will become equal to 5. Exponents will become equal when bases are same. Base here is 5 both left hand side and right hand side, so exponent will also become equal to each other. From here we can find the value of m is equal to 5 minus 3. So therefore m is equal to 2. So the value of m is equal to 2. So there are 3 questions, 3 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks questions, and we will go step by step. As we know that mathematics, the stepwise checking is there, so we have to go step by step. We have to write the law which we have used also, then only you will get the complete marks, that is 3 out of 3. Now the next question, second one, is very easy question. 5 raised to the power minus 1 multiply 2 raised to the power minus 1 multiply 6 raised to the power minus 1. Second is 5 raised to the power minus 1 multiply 2 raised to the power minus 1 multiply 6 raised to the power minus 1. Yes, this is again 3 mark question. Now first of all, let's solve the bracket. Again, as we know that the law of exponent, if a raised to the power minus m, a is the base, m is the exponent. When the exponent is in the form of negative integer and we have to convert into the positive, so what we do, we take the reciprocal, so we will write it as 1 upon a raised to the power m. Similarly, how 5 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5 multiply 1 by 2, that is bracket, multiply 1 by 6. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 10, and multiply 1 by 6. So numerator multiply numerator, that is 1 by 60 is the answer. And you have to also write which law you have, which law of exponent you have used in this question. So 1 raised to the power 60 is the answer. 5 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5. 2 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2. 6 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 6. Now let's see the third one. The third question is simplify 3 raised to the power minus 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. 3 raised to the power minus 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 into 125 and divided by 5 raised to the power minus 7 and 6 raised to the power minus 5. 5 raised to the power minus 7 into 6 raised to the power minus 5. This is the question. 3 raised to the power minus 5 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 5 multiply 1 to 5 divided by 5 raised to the power minus 7 and 6 raised to the power minus 5. So now let's solve this. 3 raised to the power minus 5, let it write as it is. Now how 10 can be expressed? How 10 we can write 10 is, how 10 can be written? It is written as 2 multiply 5. So therefore 2 raised to the power minus 5 multiply 5 raised to the power minus 5, that becomes 10 raised to the power minus 5. 125 can be written as 5 cube divided by 5 raised to the power minus 7. As you can see, 6 is here and 2 and 3 is also there. So how 6 can be written as? 6 can be written as 3 raised to the power minus 5 multiply 2 raised to the power minus 5. देख रहे हो बेटा आप, 3 मल्टीप्लाई टू कितना होता है? 6 होता है. तो 3 मल्टीप्लाई टू 6 हो गया और पावर कितनी होगी? माइनस 5 हो गई. सिमिलरली हम क्या कह सकते हैं यहाँ पे, हाउ वी कैन ब्रेक द 10. So 10 can be written as 2 multiply 5. So 2 raised to the power minus 5 multiply 5 raised to the power minus 5. अब आप यहाँ पे देखिए 2 raised to the power minus 5 से 2 raised to the power minus 5 हमारा एलिमिनेट हो गया. 3 raised to the power minus 5 से 3 raised to the power 5 minus 5 हमारा एलिमिनेट हो गया. अब हमारे पास क्या क्या टर्म्स रह गई हैं? 5 raised to the power minus 5 multiply 3 divided by 5 raised to the power minus 7. Now we have to solve this. This is 5 raised to the power 3. Now first of all, this is in the multiplication, so apply the law. 5 raised to the power minus 5 plus 3 divided by 5 raised to the power minus 7. So this is 5 raised to the power minus 2 and divided by 5 raised to the power minus 7. Now when division sign is there, as we know the law, that is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, it will give you the result a raised to the power m minus n. So here 5 raised to the power minus 2 minus minus, this is minus 7. So how can you write this? 5 raised to the power minus 2 minus of minus 7. So 5 raised to the power minus 2 minus minus plus 7. So 5 raised to the power 7 minus 2, that is 5. And how it can be written as 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 125, 125 into 5, that is 625, and 625 we have to multiply with the 5 and it will comes out to be 3125. So 3125 is the answer. So we have done 3 questions here. The first was find the value of m and the answer is 2. In the second question, evaluation, we have to evaluate these terms which are having the negative exponents, and the answer will comes out to be 1 by 60. And the third question, that is the important one, and this is the last question of the first exercise. We have to simplify it, and the answer is 5 raised to the power 5, and that is 3125. What exactly we have done, I have also made the video of this question earlier also, because this is very important question. Here 10 raised to the power minus 5 is, or can be written as 2 raised to the power minus 5 multiply 5 raised to the power minus 5, and 6 raised to the power minus 5 can be written in the form of the multiples of 3 or 2. So this was the important thing that we need to remember, and by doing the practice we can remember these things easily, because maths is all about the practice. So match your answer. If there is any mistake, rectify it and kindly update me with your marks. I have to maintain the record as well. And as you all know that our chapter visualizing solid shapes is going on, and we have done the concept of 2D and 3D figures in the Euler's formula, so kindly practice the questions based on them. And then we will start soon the aptitude chapters also. I guess 3 or 4 chapters are there in the syllabus of PA1 of aptitude. So till then you have to practice what you have already done. You have keep revising the things, and we will again start the revision soon. Before that, we will first complete the syllabus of PA1. So thank you students, this was the today's test. Thank you, God bless you all.